In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between side peek and center peek in Notion. If you're diving into the world of Notion and want to customize your view to suit your workflow, understanding how to switch these views is a great skill to have. It can be incredibly handy depending on how you're working with your data, whether in a table, board, list, or even a calendar. Let's walk through this process together step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll feel confident toggling between these views with ease. To get started, open up your Notion database. This could be any format that you are currently working with, be it a table, a board, a list, or even a calendar. Each of these has its unique advantages in terms of organizing information, so it's about what works best for you at any given moment. Once your database is open, take a look at the top of the screen, and you'll notice a menu, often symbolized by 3 dots, or what's known as the View options. This is your gateway to customizing different elements of your database. Clicking on this View Options menu will bring up a range of settings related to how your database is displayed. Here, we're interested in finding and selecting the option labeled Layout. It's under this section that you'll find the choices for how you want to open pages within your database. Now that we're here, let's take a closer look at what each option offers. Within the Layout settings, you'll see an option called Open Pages In. This determines whether your pages are displayed on the side or centered. If you prefer having all your information handy while still being able to browse through your database, the Side Peek option might be the one for you. Selecting Side Peek means that when you open a page, it will be neatly displayed in a panel on the right side of your screen. This is particularly useful if you need to reference multiple pages without losing sight of the primary data on your main screen. On the other hand, if you want a more immersive view, you might opt for the Center Peek. Opting for Center Peek means that your selected page will emerge in a centered modal window, giving you a focused, clear view away from any distractions that might be present on the rest of the screen. This can be useful when you need to dive deep into content and require a distraction-free space to think and work. Being able to switch between these two viewing options easily allows you to tailor your workflow according to your needs, whether you need a broader context or a more focused look at the information you're working on. Remember, you can always change these settings back and forth as needed, so feel free to experiment with both to see what fits best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your Notion experience.